أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. أم حسبت أن أصحاب الكهف والرقيم كانوا من آياتنا عجبا. أم حسبت no extra غنة إظهار الشفوي. حسبت very sharp باب قلقلة. حسبت أن نون مشدد كان غنة. أصحاب, this was saw just now we learned in the word of صعيدا هنا, that was saw we pronounced heavily. Even when it has sakin on it, we should make it little heavy. You cannot say us is wrong, it should be us. Can you see the difference? Us. Okay, Sod is heavy, not Hamza. Don't say us, it should be us. أصحاب, ha very sharp, to stretch it for 2 count. أصحاب الكهف, not kahfi. Kahfi, kahfi, exhale, okay. Kahfi والرقيم, ra heavy, and the qaf should not sound like kha, okay. Qaf is different, kha is different. والرقيم كانوا, you can see this lam alif, you should not stop at this point. If you stop, the meaning can be a little wrong, so better you continue here. But if you stop due to the break in your breath or any other thing, you have to go back again, just like how I stopped here, then I recited from warraqimi again, okay. You just have to go 2 to 3 words back and recite from there. Warraqimi kanu, 2 to count. Min ayatina ajaba, min ayatina, you can see 3 letters here are stretched due to mad. Ayatina, okay. Ayatina ajaba, not ajaba. Ajaba. Ban will become ba for 2 count. Repeat with me. أم حسبت أن أصحاب الكهف والرقيم كانوا من آياتنا عجبا.